How should we interact with a stranger? Because when I just upload my previous video, and in that video I just to tell you about benefits talk with the strangers. Why is it so important to make friends, to talk with the strangers? Just because of knowledge. So he asking to me, okay, I just listened to your video and that was really actually good. He was praising to me, but actually thing is that he asking to me really very beautiful question, and that was really smart questions. Definitely I would like to appreciate to that person about these questions, because that question is really necessary. That I suggested to you all that yeah, actually a stranger's talk is really necessary, that we want to know about the culture, tradition, knowledge, different type of knowledge. But how to talk? Like in the first meeting, is it really easy to interact with long term of conversation? No, it's not easy. It is a kind of words that if you are really very smarter and if you are really very good, of course you can do that. No matter that you are meeting to that persons on the call first time and you are meeting again and again, but your call is not continue too long. Even you want to make conversation, but question is that another person also like want to make conversation with you, because that person also has desire to make polish on the skills, on English skills or whatever any language, you also can do that. Okay, but thing is that after the introductions, why it's happened that every call is disconnected. Everyone saying to me that why you're long, see, why you're long, so much continue too long. And I said about my secrets. So firstly I would like to disclose my secrets. Before that, I have to tell you about me. So my name is Mrs. Richa Chan. I am from Great India, live in Delhi. So let's get started. How to keep the call, especially on the conversation by phone. How to continue to long conversation with strangers if that person don't know, and in this situation how to interact with that person's too long term. Okay, I just tell you. Suppose whenever you are connected with another person's different person or different mindset person, you also don't know what kind of taste they having. Okay, but still you also got a chance to make conversation because you want to improve the English communications. And in this situation, if someone will meet you on the call or on another applications, how to interact? Everyone saying hello, hi, good morning, and my name is Richa, and my name is blah blah blah, anything. So, okay, and your conversation had stopped. Your conversation is not too much long. What is the reason behind that? But my conversation is too much long. I tell you about me. Okay, when you just when you when your conversation is starting from the hello, so your hello should be very polite, very sweet, and very attractive way. Very attractive means not too much different sound, not too much really very unique sound. Your sound will be a normal. I just tell you hello, like that. Okay, your sound don't too much excited. Okay, before the calling, don't too much excited, just say hello on the simple way. First thing is that hello. Okay, second thing is when A person will listen your voice, and after listen to your voice, of course definitely that person also will respond to you, and that person also automatically will say to you hello. So you don't have time, you don't have to wait, and you just ask the questions, how are you? What? You ask the questions, how are you? You don't you don't need to give the chance to that person. That person will ask you how are you or anything. First of all, you will have to ask how are you. And definitely when you will ask to anyone how are you, and definitely that person saying I am good, I am fantastic, I am adorable, I am gorgeous, I am stunning, anything, I am feeling really very good, anything, I am doing good, I am doing great. Okay, so definitely when you will ask to any person that how are you, definitely that person will tell you about his or her health, that I am good, I am fantastic, anything. Okay, and definitely that person will return in the return of sense. That person definitely will ask you, I am good, you tell, what about you? So for the things, when the person will ask you, in the sense if that person will return to ask you how are you, and definitely you will have to tell not a simple way. You don't need to say on the simple way, I am good, I am fantastic, I am like that, I am like that. No, not at all. Second thing is you have to tell your answer very differently way. I just tell you. When that person will ask you how are you tell what about you? So you have to say I am good, I am so much good. But thing is that I'm not feeling good because I'm feeling too much exhausted, or I'm feeling so much over the moon. Anything you also can reply, your answer should be a different way. Different way means your talks continue too long. Like your I am fine, it's not enough. I am fine, it's not enough. That if you will say I am fine, that your conversation is stop. Your grades and your to asking the questions about the health, about any kind of things. So of course that question is stop. You will have no need to stop these questions. Okay, means you will have to drag this answer. Drag in the sense of in the positive. You have to tell that I am fantastic, but I am feeling too much tired today because yesterday night I had been outside with my family, and that's why I'm feeling so much tired. But I am feeling really so much energetic to talk with you, because English is really, really addictions for me. English is really very important for me. I love talk to the strangers. I love talk to the different type of people. But when I just listen to your voice, when I just listen to your voice, I cannot say that I am feeling so much tired. By your voice, I am feeling so much relaxable. Your voice is so peace. Your voice is so much calm. When I listen to your hello, and I'm feeling so much over the moon, because now I'm talking with the Indian. I love Indian people. So did you notice something? First, first you will have to say hello. It's normal motions, and after that you don't wait to any questions. You will have to ask on the second round. You will have to ask by yourself, how are you? So of course that person reply to you, but that person, when that person will ask you, you tell, or how are you, how have you been? So you will have to not a normal, not a simple way. You have to tell in the trending way. In the trending way means you have to tell to that I am fantastic, but yeah, right now I'm just feeling like that. Yes, that you also can include any things which is done by you in the past, in the morning, in the previous day. So when you will tell this thing, another person will think you that you are really very friendly or very familiar with that person. That person will think very normally, and that's why that person would have desire to talk to you. Okay, and after that, first thing is hello, second thing is how are you, don't forget. Third thing is your answer, your reply should be a trending zone. Okay, fourth thing is you have to thanks to that person, because that person asking to you about your health, that person will ask you about your care. Okay, so you cannot ignore to anyone, that is really very precious. If someone is asking to you, that person is another stranger, but still that person asking to you how are you, so of course you just say I'm fantastic, yeah, a little bit so much tired in the body, but I'm really feeling so much good, because I am talking with the Indian. I'm talking with, you can give the compliment too. Okay, you can give that compliment too, that I am talking with the Indian. I love talk to the Indians because I'm also from India. Okay, so fourth thing is that you will have to give the compliment. Okay, fifth thing, fifth thing that you will have to say thank you so much for asking to me. Thank you for care of me. Thank you so much. Okay, fifth things. Now, when you will cross 5 steps with the strangers on the call, and now you are not feeling like that person is will be for you a stranger, because that person is very comfortable talk with you. Okay, so in the next, now in the second passage, you can ask what you do. Could you please tell me about your plan, what you want to do in your life? Okay, so you will have to ask this question, and of course that person will ask you, I'm a student, or I am working into the company, or I'm a homemaker, or I can do any kind of, it's depend on the answer. Okay, so and after that you will tell, oh my god, you're really student. Okay, just tell me, like in which class do you read, like that you can ask about, relate to the, depend on the, level, depend on the category, that if that person is a student, so of course you will have to ask relate to the education stuff. What do you want to do in your life, what do you want to become in your life, actually what's your plan do you have, what do you want to do that things, so you can discuss like this. If that person is working, so of course you can discuss with that person about the job, about anything, about company, about work. And if that person is a businessman, so of course you also can ask, okay, that question, actually I don't know about that business, could you please tell me by briefly. So of course that person will ask you briefly. Okay, by that things you also can get a knowledge about that stuff related to the business as well. Okay, and after that you also can tell, yeah, actually I am also living in India alone, or in the PG, or in the hostel as well, but I am also so much missing to my family. That's why I just thought, okay, I just talk to the or I just talk the on any another, but you just interact with me, I'm really very glad to meet you. You also can say like this. Are you getting my point? After the 5 points, you don't have need to wait, you just try to think that person is interested to make a comfortable zone with you, and that person actually, you can guess easily that person also want to talk you or not. If that person want to talk you, of course you can ask any questions. Okay, and if that person is not interested to make conversation with you on the long time, so definitely you also can ask any kind of thing, relate English, relate relate English because you also interact on the platform just because of the reason of English. You want to learn, that's why you are interacting. Okay, and so your conversation is too long. Or if you can get an intention that person is really very friendly, that person is so much talkative like as me, so definitely your conversation is too much high long time. So till then, thank you so much. You will get to know what I'm saying to you. Please just try to give the compliment, just try to say that, and you also can give the opinion, but that opinion should be a right, that opinion should be a really very good for the future, and that person can think, wow, what a man. Okay, so I hope you will understand what I'm saying to you. Okay, and if you didn't clear this point, please you can ask me, and definitely I also can give you a real example by audio clip. If you want to do that, definitely I can give. Thank you so much. Bye.